Welcome all to the fundamentals of superposition, where circuit changes as below are explored. I know you're wondering, what exactly is superposition? Superposition theorem states that the current through or voltage across any element of a network is equal to the algebraic sum of the currents or voltages produced independently by each source. Superposition can be determined by the following steps. 1. Select the source. 2. Remove all other sources while maintaining internal resistances by replacing current sources such as the water in the hose being replaced by an open circuit where the water cannot flow, representing the removal of the electrical path, as well as replacing voltage sources with short circuits. Step 3. Determine the voltages and currents arising as a result of the selected source. Step 4. Repeat this procedure for all other sources. 5. Add the resulting voltages and currents arising from each source, and note, it is vital to observe polarities of voltages and current directions. Superposition can analyze two or more sources in series and parallel circuits and can be applied to AC and DC circuits combined. However, superposition can't be applied when resistance changes and cannot be used to add power, and is limited to use with linear and bilateral circuits. Let's work through an example that asks to find the current IL that passes through the 8 ohm resistor. In a circuit that contains 3 resistors, current direction 28 volts and 28 amps. First, verify the sources and remove the current source by an open circuit. In step 3, as a result of no current in the second loop, the KVL formula is applied to loop 1, where the 6 ohm resistor and the 8 ohm resistor are added together and are rearranged finally to give an answer of 2 amps for IL1. Step 4 repeats this process where the voltage source is short-circuited. KVL is then applied to loop 1 where I1 and I2 are summed to 0 and rearranged to form an expression containing both values of I1 and I2. The I2 value of 28 amps is determined by the current source in the second loop. Substituting I2 into the previous expression, I1 is 16 amps. Substituting 28 and 16 into the IL2 formula, IL2 equals negative 12 amps. Finally, substituting IL1 and IL2, 2 minus 12 equals IL to be negative 10 amps in the opposing direction. Thank you for watching Superposition.